Okay, well, good morning from my car again. I'm safely in a car park, as you may have noticed by the surroundings. So definitely not videoing while I'm driving. Just wanted to make sure of that. Anthony Benici here again to do yet another Brain Blinkers bullet point. Now, our last video talked about the coffee model, and that's why I'm in the car, because the first letter of the acronym of coffee, C, of course, is for catastrophize. It's the first way we self-sabotage, or one of the ways we self-sabotage, and the one that I speak about a fair bit. So again, just if you didn't see the video before, COFFEE, coffee are the 6 ways we self-sabotage, made famous in our Brain Blinkers work. And catastrophize is the simplest one to describe. It is when we make much ado about nothing. It's when we're in a car and we experience that road rage. I know we did a very popular segment on road rage not too long ago, but road rage, or that visceral and over-the-top reaction to someone cutting us off or not waving to us, or staying in the wrong lane when they should be moving lanes to give way to traffic, that sort of thing is a really good example of catastrophizing, making much ado about nothing. Our blood pressure rises, our adrenal response is quite severe to something that is, I guess, considered to be relatively minor. So the catastrophizing effect is very commonplace. It happens when we lose our keys. We think we're going to be late for somewhere. We're crying over spilt milk, as the old saying goes. So it's the first one that I speak about, and it's the first one that is the easiest to recognize. So if you're catastrophizing, just be aware that that's what's happening, a response to a stimulus that might be this big, but you're making it this big. And it's not helpful, because, as you know, when it pushes our adrenaline too much, we do and say things that are not ideal, and makes us less productive, because when we're frantic and frayed at the edges, we're not at our best. So it's number one. It's the easiest one to remember, and our next video will talk about the classic of overgeneralizing. Have a great day.